payrolls.strategy.com.
Hello, this is Daniel Grady with a brief look at the markets for today, Friday, November 8th. We'll start with the S&P 500, which closed down by 1.5% yesterday. This was in response to better than expected GDP data from the United States, which led investors to think that the Fed might begin to taper its asset purchasing program earlier than expected. Going into the beginning of the session in Asia, we had a general drop in the markets. However, by the beginning of the European session, we have futures are trading slightly upwards, and there's a cautious bullish attitude as measured by a survey of traders going in at the beginning of the European session. However, we have important data coming out later, so this would have an effect on the markets later. Moving over to the euro. The euro is the euro dropped by over 200 points yesterday. This was in response to a surprise move by the ECB in cutting its refinancing rate. It established it recovered for almost half of its move yesterday and established a new resistance level here at 134.50. The pound was surprisingly largely unchanged yesterday despite a lot of data coming out. We have a resistance level here at 161.20 and support remains at 160.50. The Japanese yen also spiked in both directions yesterday due to data releases. However, it still remained trading within its short band that it's been maintaining since between these two Fibonacci levels at 97.75 and 98.80. Gold also dropped yesterday. This was mostly in response to the GDP data. We have non-farm payrolls coming out later, which will probably give us a better idea how gold will be performing over the short term. Moving over to the economic calendar, the first major event coming up today is at 1:30, which is the release of the non-farm payroll data. It also comes with a host of other economic and labor data, so this could have a pretty important move for the markets. And then at 2:55 GMT, we have the industrial confidence survey for the United States. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching and happy trading.